Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Maths. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. Here in today's session, a continuation of the previous video. We have two problems. The first one is find the area bounded by the line y is equal to x and x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Given the equation of line is y is equal to x, when x is equal to 1, we have y is equal to 1. And when x is equal to 2, we have y is equal to 2. So this is the equation y is equal to x. The area bounded by the line y is equal to x with x-axis and ordinates x is equal to 1 and 2 is this shaded region. Since the shaded region lies to the right of y-axis and above x-axis, area is equal to integral a to b f of x dx, which is integral 1 to 2 x into dx. So integrating we get x squared by 2 within the limits 1 to 2. Substituting the upper and lower limits, we get 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 4 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 square units. So this is the required area. Now let us solve the next problem. Using integration, find the area of the region bounded by the line y minus 1 is equal to x, the x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3. Here from the line equation, when we substitute x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 1. And when y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 1. So plotting the points and joining the line, we get y minus 1 is equal to x. So this is the region enclosed by the line with x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3. So the entire area is to be found. In the diagram, the area from x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to minus 1 lies below the x-axis and the area from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 3 lies above the x-axis. Therefore, the required area is integral minus 2 to minus 1, which lies below the x-axis, is minus f of x into dx. And the second part is integral minus 1 to 3, so which is above the x-axis, so it is f of x into dx. So y is equal to x plus 1. Substituting y is equal to x plus 1 for f of x, we get integral minus 2 to minus 1 x plus 1 into dx with a negative sign outside, plus integral minus 1 to 3 x plus 1 into dx. Here, in order to change the negative sign, we can interchange the limits. So we change the limits as minus 1 to minus 2. Now let us integrate. We get x squared by 2 plus x within the limits -1 to -2 plus x squared by 2 plus x within the limits -1 to 3. Now let us substitute the upper and lower limits. And solve the value. We get 4 by 2 minus 2 minus of, substituting the lower limit, we get half minus 1. Now the second part, substituting the upper limit, we get 9 by 2 plus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So after all simplifications, we get 0 minus half plus 15 by 2 plus half, which is equal to 17 by 2 square units. This is the required area. Hope this session was interesting. For much more, please subscribe to the channel Summit for Maths. Thanks for watching.